Assalamu alaikum dear students, welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. I am Farhana Yasmin, assistant teacher of morning shift. Now I am going to take a class 4 class 2. Our subject is social science. Our today's topic is lesson 9 reading done. Now we will read lesson 9 from the book. Dear students, please look here. This is lesson 9. It's called weather and season. We will read about the weather and seasons in this lesson. So let's start. The sun is the source of heat and energy. When the sun gives light, it is our daytime. When the sun is not there, the earth becomes dark and it is the night time. So because of the sun, we have night and day. If the sun is there, then we have heat and energy from the sun and we have daytime. But when the sun is not there, it's dark and is night time. In our everyday life, we see some days are sunny, some are rainy, some are cloudy, and some are foggy. So we see different kind of days in our everyday life. Some days are hot and some are cold. This daily variation of heat and cold is called weather. So these different kind of days we have in terms of heat and cold is called weather. In different days we have different weathers. Sometimes it's hot, sometimes it's cold, sometimes it's sunny, sometimes rainy, sometimes cloudy, sometimes foggy. It is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular date and time of a day. So weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a particular place at a particular date and time of a day. Weather can change every few minutes to few hours. So weather changes. The average condition of weather of a particular place for 40 years is called the climate of that area. So climate is the condition of weather of a particular place for 40 years. From the climate, one can mark the seasons of that area. So from climate, we can mark the seasons of that particular area. In our country, we find some months are hot, some months are cold, and some are rainy. Thus, there are three main seasons: summer, monsoon or rainy, and winter. So in general, we have three main seasons: summer, monsoon or rainy, and winter. Some intermediate seasons can be noticed in these three main seasons. So we can find 6 seasons in our country. Okay, so those three were main seasons, but we can notice totally 6 seasons in our country. These are summer. Summer is from April to May. Number 2, rainy season is from June to July. Number 3, autumn. Autumn is from August to September. Number 4, late autumn. It usually lasts from October to November. Number 5, winter. Winter is from December to January. Number 6 and the last one, spring. Spring is from February to March. Let's look at the pictures. How it is in summer. It's hot, so you can see the earth is very dry. Rainy season, next one. You can see it's raining and people are using umbrellas. Okay. Next picture is autumn. You can see the clear sky. Next, late autumn. You can see paddy fields. Farmers are harvesting. Next, winter. You can see the fog in the winter. Spring. Here you can see the flowers in spring. Let's go to the next page. In summer, hot winds blow during the day. It becomes very hot in April and May. In the months of June, July and August, all the places of Bangladesh have rainfall. It is called monsoon rain. We have to wear raincoat and take umbrella when we go out in rain. In winter, we feel cold. Sometimes it becomes cold. December and January is the coldest months in Bangladesh. After winter, spring comes. Different kinds of flowers bloom in spring and we enjoy spring festivals in our country. Okay, dear students, this was today's lesson. Read it by yourself again. Stay safe. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.